Welcome back to Fashion Blast, your favorite place for beauty and style inspiration for women over 50. Today we are sharing 40 of the best low maintenance bob haircuts that are perfect for mature women who want to look elegant and feel confident without spending hours on styling. Whether your hair is straight, wavy, fine, or gray, there's a bob haircut here just for you. Classic and effortless bobs. Let's start with some timeless bob styles that are as easy to wear as they are beautiful. The classic chin length bob, simple, clean, and flattering on almost every face shape. It adds structure and polish without any fuss. The layered bob, great for adding volume to thinning hair. Soft layers create movement and make hair look fuller. The blunt cut bob, bold and sharp, perfect if you love a sleek modern look that takes minutes to style. All of these bobs work wonderfully with natural gray or salt and pepper hair, and they are super easy to maintain. Trendy and youthful bob variations. Now let's take a look at some trendy and youthful bob cuts that are demanding 2025. The angle bob, slightly longer in the front. This cut gives the face a gentle lift and a slimming effect. The shaggy bob, light layers, soft ends, and a lax finish. The curly bob, natural curls or soft waves add volume and playfulness, great for embracing your natural texture. These styles are low effort, high impact, and ideal for women who want a fresh, updated look with easy to manage. So there you have it, 40 stylish low maintenance bob hackers that are perfect for women over 50 in 2025. Which style was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fashion Blast for more weekly inspiration on hair, beauty, and fashion for fabulous women like you. Thanks for watching, and remember, style has no age limit.